Good morning, guys. This is our next day in Regenta Resort. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂತ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 2-3 ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ಡಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. If you don't know already, breakfast is complimentary here, so we're prepping for the breakfast actually. Ready ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ we came down to have breakfast. Outdoors seat ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. It's a big breakfast buffet. We enjoyed it a lot. We quickly came back to our rooms and took few snaps, and also in the meantime we checked out of the beautiful resort. Check out ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ waterfall ಇದೆ, which is not very risky, so we planned out to go there. On the way, very beautiful ಇದೆ. Goes through a very thick and dense forest. Already you get a sense of Western Ghats here. Just took a small detour after a village called Asbetne towards left, and this is what we are treated to. Some beautiful views. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೋ ಯು ದ ವ್ಯೂ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಝರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಅದ, ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಬೆಳಗಾವದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಂಬೋಟಿ ಅಂತ ಊರು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೆತ್ನೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು 3-4 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಟಾರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಂದ ಹಂಗೆ ಸೀದಾ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್, ಬಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಬೈ ಕಾರ್. ಚಲೋ ಅದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಡ್ಕೋತ ಬಂದರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರಿ. ನೀವು ಸಣ್ಣ ಟೈಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ನೀರಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me for I pass out. I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would. And way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me for a pass out. I'm too lonely to be done in my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with no...
ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, but still we had to come out. So we headed back to our home. So hope you have enjoyed this small video series. We'll see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching. Please do comment your thoughts below. Thanks again.